Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be talking about creating a stunning 3D book cover for your PLR ebooks. But before we go ahead and do that, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to better help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews, as well as tips on how to make money online. So if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash that like button, as well as subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Okay guys, let's go check it out. Okay, now here we are at a place called Mediamodifier. Now I've had a video on this another time, but that was along with a list of other sites. But in this particular case, I think we're going to be looking at Mediamodifier, and then we're going to go over to Canva to create a cover for this. Now let's go over here to where it says mockups. Now I've already signed in. It's free to sign up, by the way. So you can sign up to this for free. And I'm going to go here to all mockups. I'm going to click on that. And in just a minute, it's going to take me to another section where we can then go ahead and begin to create our mockups. Now what we're going to do is go down here. You see where it says all mockups? You go over here to where it says free. You click on the free ones. And what that's going to do is it's going to open up this section here, which then allows you to be able to work on various things that are free. Now you can do computers, you can do ebooks and covers and all sorts of wonderful things. And you can work on any of these mockups here that you like. Now we're going to be working strictly on the ebook cover today. So I'm going to go here and we're going to be going edit online. And we can click on that. Now if you're an expert at PSD, or that's Photoshop Design, you can download it to go onto Photoshop Design if you wish to. Or if you're like me, I prefer to do things online quickly and easily. So one of the things I want to do is remove the background of that particular one. So what we're going to do is go down here, and we go here, we've got background color, we can remove that. And it makes it transparent. Now if you want to get rid of the background shadow, we can do that as well. And this gives us a completely transparent background. However, I do like the shadow, so I'm going to keep the shadow. And we'll remove all the rest of the stuff just there. And this is where we begin to start going over to Canva. Now let's go over to Canva and make up a mock-up for Canva. Now before we do that, we need to look at the size. Okay, so the size for the image that we need to put in here needs to be 714 by 1102. So let's put that down somewhere, which I happen to have right here, 714 by 1102. So let's now go over to Canva and we'll have that come up. Now I'm in the Pro section of Canva, but this can be done in the free section as well. Now what I want to do is I'm going to go here to custom size. We're going to click on that, and we're going to be going 714 and 1102, I think. Let me just double check the size of that. 1102, that's correct. So it's 1102 and it's in pixels, and we're going to create the design. And that will give us a blank design just here. Now because I'm going to be creating a keto channel, and I might have like a keto meal plan or something like that, let's go over here and let's put in the word keto and see what comes up. Alright. Oh, look at that keto meal plan. How perfect is that? Now because I'm pro, I won't have to pay for this one. Now there we are. It has already adjusted it to the size of the page, which is perfect. Now what I also want to do is click on the outside one. I'm going to extend that out just a bit and put that over into the center. Click on that. Put down my name. And the name of the channel will be Keto Capers, K-E-T-O-K-A-P-E-R-S. Click off there. Might centralize that a bit better. There we go. Might even go like that. Keep it in the center. There we are. That's better. And that is fine. We can also extend that up a little bit if you wish to make it just a little bit nicer. But yeah, I'm just mucking around with it now. There we go. And there we are. We can keep it like that. We can change the color of that if we wish to. And because my main color is primarily orange. I'm going to stick with the orange theme and the orange background color. So let's just do that again. And let's stick with the orange color because that's what we primarily work with. And I'm just going to make that black so as it stands out a bit better. Go here to the letters. There we are. Click black and it should now be black. There we are. Now what we all need to do now is just download this straight down to our desktop somewhere, wherever we want to keep it. And I'm not going to bore you while I do it. I'm just going to download this and be right back. Okay, so that's the meal planner saved. Now all we need to do now is go back over to our other site. Now all we need to do now is add the image. I'm just going to go here and let's upload your image. Very, very easy, very, very simple. Let's go to over here. Actually it's on C, it's on the desktop section. And it is in this one here, Keto Capers, and that's the one I want. So it will fit perfectly in there. Let's hit crop, and there we have it. How beautiful is that? Then all you really need to do then is just download this as a PNG file, and you're right to go. So this is called Mediamodifier. Now I'll leave a link to this down in the description down below. Now it really is as quick and easy to set up as that. Now that's a lovely image of a book. Now if you want to, you can also download image. There we go. If you want to, you can also create several of these and add them. What I'm going to do here is put that in there. Yeah, that's fine. You can get several of these and then make them as a package if you wish to. And once you've done that, you can do things like, computers and various other images. You can use this book here as maybe a magazine style. You can also maybe choose like one of the laptops or something like that, or this one. You can also choose an iPad or a phone, and you can choose all of these devices as well as that and that. And you can also have flat designs here to have, say for example, anything like mind maps and so forth. There's a lot of things you can do with this. Now as you can see, you can go through and have a look at the various designs that you can make up. You've got a box just here. And you can just make up these designs and just make it up as you go. Now if you want to, you can go to somewhere like GIMP, where like this one here, and you can add it all in here and you can create yourself a package. Now if you also know how to use Photoshop, you can do Photoshop as well. The best part about that is you can download this straight to Photoshop, because as you can see, download PSD, Photoshop design. So you can download that straight as a Photoshop design if you wish to. Okay, now let's assume that you want to have a look at the pricing. So just assume that you want to, say for example, have more flexibility to do what you want, and we can have a quick look over here. Let's go click on the pricing. Okay, so of course we're in the free section right now, which does limit how much we can do. But over here, if you have a look, you can see it's $190 a year, billed yearly, and you can get everything you get here, plus you also get commercial license, social media integration, upload your PSD mockups, and a whole bunch of other things here. And that's only $190 a year. Now just be remembering, there is a link in the description down below if you're interested in this. And you can sign up for free if you want to, or you can get a yearly amount if you wish to. It's up to you how you want to do it. Okay, now that's all there is for this particular video. If you like this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below to let me know what you think of Mediamodifier and any other sites you might know that can do virtually the same thing. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and bye for now.